Across Wisconsin, the road to opportunity begins at your local technical college. Truck driving programs available through the Wisconsin Technical College system are shaping the next generation of professional drivers. People with the skills, confidence, and drive to keep our state and our country moving.
My grandpa was a lumberjack, and he had trucks, and he would bring them home. As a kid, I got to be around those trucks all the time.
My grandmother and grandfather had a hog and apple farm. Then at 13, I started actually driving the semi-trucks.
As a kid growing up, I was always fascinated by trucks and trailers.
For some, trucking is a childhood dream. For others, it's about finding a new career and a sense of purpose.
What drew me to CDL in general was the fact that I was looking for something that was fulfilling and decided to try it out and have not regretted my decision.
At Wisconsin's technical colleges, training isn't about shortcuts. It's about preparing you for real-world success.
I love hiring drivers and talking to drivers that come from the Wisconsin Technical College systems. We know that they are being trained well. They are being trained not just to pass that CDL road test, but to be comfortable with life on the road.
A good 80% of the time, we were in the truck. Here in the school or out on the road, we were behind the wheel quite a bit of time.
So one of the biggest things that we offer is we have different instructors from different backgrounds in the trucking industry. And having all those different aspects of instructors help open the students' minds into what to receive and what to expect.
Wisconsin Technical College system does a really good job of sending graduates to the industry that are well prepared. The industry has come to know the schools throughout Wisconsin to be some of the best.
Hands-on, real-world, experienced instructors. That's the WTCS difference.
You're not getting your CDL so that you can be home every day. Yes, it's going to open up a lot of opportunities for you, but it is a whole different lifestyle.
Now you have FaceTime, you have Google Meet. It makes it easier to be out on the road where you can talk to family members and loved ones while you're gone. You don't have to feel like you're disconnected from society so much.
A commercial driver's license, or CDL, from a Wisconsin technical college opens doors to financial security, independence, and career growth.
Even starting out as a brand new CDL holder with no experience, you can make some good money. We've got plenty of positions that could pay even up to $65,000, $70,000 in your first year as a CDL holder.
So in terms of pay and this career, I have only moved up in pay. From my first to my second to my third job, I have only increased in pay.
Why trucking? Because without it, life stops.
If we don't have truck drivers, we don't have food in stores, we don't have clothes in stores, we don't have all of those supplies that everyone needs on a daily basis. We need truck drivers. That's not going away. You're making a huge difference in everyone's day-to-day lives as a truck driver.
You got it. Stay moving.
Since I've gotten my CDL 2 years ago, I've done dry van, I've done hazardous tanker, and now I transport race cars to racetracks, and it's been an enjoyable career so far.
So my advice to someone looking to get their CDL to go into the transportation industry is do your research. It's a whole different industry, a whole different career and lifestyle than your average 9-to-5 job.
Students that are truly vested in this trucking industry, they can expect careers, some of them prior to graduation, whether it's agriculture or it's hauling steel products or food products, whatever that might be. There's such a demand.
If they have the desire and the want and the drive, we can get them where they need to go.
The advice that I would give potential students and current students is listen to your instructors. They know what they're doing. This career, I absolutely love it. It's one of the things that I searched for, something that I felt like I belonged, and this is where I belong.
In Wisconsin, your future in trucking starts at one of our technical colleges. With hands-on training, supportive instructors, and a direct path to high-paying jobs, the Wisconsin Technical College system is preparing drivers who keep America moving. Your career is waiting. All you need is the drive.